Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your Apple Store billing problem. So first of all, it's the same basically on iPhone. I'm just going to do this on Mac. So you're going to go to your App Store, open it up, and now you're going to click on your profile right there. And after that, you're going to click Account Settings right there. And now after that, you're going to see your payment information right there. So you're going to click Manage Payments. And here you will see your payment methods. If you don't have them, just enter it right there, your like a card and billing address, and then click done. Now what you can also do is go to your Apple account here and add funds to your Apple ID if you want, and add money, and like that it will be in purchases. Now another thing you need to do is go to settings, to system settings, or just the settings. After that, you want to go ahead on screen time. And now scroll down until you see content and privacy on restrictions. And now you want to go ahead and toggle this on and go to store restrictions. And you want to go ahead and see if allowed content is allow all on iOS, if it is allow in-app purchases. So this should be enabled. If not, then that may be the problem for you. So make sure that allow in-app purchases is toggled on. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, a comment down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.